It's a breezy morning with a lovely sunshine in the garden. And here comes our little Charlie.
Wow, what is this?
Charlie, that is a cocoon. There is a priceless object inside it.
Huh? What? Priceless object? Huh? Then only a responsible person like me should take care of it.
Oh, it would be really great if you could do that, Kimmy.
Oh, where do I stand to protect it? Here. I think here. Or here. Maybe this place is right. Will it be seen clearly from this side? Huh?
Bow, 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 bow.
Hey! You clumsy fellow Charlie! Why are you roaming around this priceless object? Don't you see I'm looking for a perfect spot to keep an eye on it? You have to be gentle with it.
But what does it mean to be gentle? And tell me how to do it.
I think you should learn from Kimmy how to be gentle, Charlie.
No. I can't teach him. Because I'm very busy right now. I have to protect this priceless thing, so I won't have enough time. So, sorry, Charlie.
It's okay, Kemi. I will learn it from Billy.
Oh yeah, that will work.
Look, why is everything so quiet around the pond today? And where's Billy? Oh, this lotus has eyes. Flowers don't have eyes, do they? I think our smart little boy is hiding in the lotus. Oh, it is Billy. Poor little bee. Why did you shoo him away?
Here, I have to take care of all this.
Hey, what's all that? Billy, are these things important?
Yes, very important indeed. All of these should be handled gently. This is my long-time collection of ceramic dolls.
Wow, what is this?
Huh? No. Please stay there. Please don't come any closer, Charlie. Charlie, these collection of ceramic dolls of mine are very priceless, you know.
Oh, this collection of ceramic dolls is priceless, huh? Billy, I am learning to be gentle with priceless things.
Oh, is it so? Then it's okay. You can come closer, Charlie. But you need to be very careful, okay? Don't touch it! Oh, no! Nobody is allowed to play with my ceramic toys anymore.
Sorry, Billy. I did not mean to drop it like that. I am trying to learn how to handle priceless things gently, you know. But Billy, I am not able to learn anything at all.
I will only allow you to play when you learn to handle my ceramic toys properly.
Hey, don't worry, Charlie. I'm sure somebody else will teach you to be gentle.
Oh, yes, I know it. Tuba. He teaches me everything with patience.
I have polished it myself and made it shine so bright. If my great-great-grandfather could see this now, he would be jumping with joy. Aha! Mr. Clumsy is coming.
Hey, Tuba. Nice to meet you. Hey, what is that shiny object in your pocket? Show me.
No, there is nothing in my pocket, Charlie.
Tuba, why don't you show the medal to Charlie?
Okay, if he is going to give it back safely, I will show it to him.
Yay!
My great-great-grandfather was a brilliant swimming champion. He was awarded this for coming first in the Elephant Olympics. It's an ancient memorial. It's really priceless. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. Nobody should touch it.
Then Tuba, how come are you touching it?
I can touch it because I know how to handle priceless things. Such things need special attention and care.
Tuba, Charlie is learning to be gentle with priceless objects. Why don't you help him out with that?
Can I hold your champion grandfather's medal in my hand for some time, please?
Is it? Okay. But promise me that you will handle the medal with care, okay, Charlie? Then I'll give it to you.
Promise.
This is a velvet cloth. This type of cloth is very soft. I have this specially to protect the medal. It protects the medal from scratches and dirt from the dirty hands of everyone.
Oh, come on, don't worry, Tuba. I will hold it tightly in my hands and will not drop it.
Careful, Charlie. Don't hold it too tight.
Charlie, it's good for both the medal and me to keep the medal with me only. I better keep it.
Sorry, Tuba. I did not expect being gentle will be so difficult. Don't worry, Kemi. Now I will never touch priceless things anymore.
Hey, you! Charlie! What are you doing? You said you won't touch anything.
No, I didn't do anything. I didn't touch it, Kemi. Trust me.
Then why is it shaking?
Maybe I wasn't gentle enough when I walked past it. Oh no, I'm not getting it at all.
Don't be upset, Charlie. You didn't do anything. I think the priceless object inside is trying to come out. That is why it's shaking.
Oh, is it? Anyway, I will watch all priceless objects from a safe distance. Oh wow! There was a beautiful butterfly inside it.
Huh? Woohoo! Now I got it! Butterflies come out from these cocoons.
Always remember, Charlie, you have to be very gentle with butterflies because they are very delicate.
But how can I do this? I have not learned how to be gentle yet.
But didn't you learn from your friends?
Did I? Huh?
Yes, you learned from Kimmy that you should never touch a butterfly's nest. And from Billy, you learned that you should never drop ceramic dolls. And from Tuba, you learned that you shouldn't hold anything very tight. This is what means to be gentle, Charlie.
Oh, then this is what it means to be gentle, huh?
Wow! It's a butterfly! Shoo, shoo, shoo! Shh!
Oh no! Look, the butterfly is sitting on my nose. I am going to be very gentle. I am going to stay still and motionless until the butterfly flies away. Yay!
Wonderful, Charlie. You are an intelligent pup indeed.
Yay! Huh?
Do you wish to see load of stories here? Then please subscribe this channel. Along with your friends and family, enjoy all the videos of Magic Box. Magic Box English, a place to learn lot of good things with happiness. Don't forget to subscribe.